Look, if you've ever tried to recover a dining chair or fix a sagging sofa with a cheap desk stapler, you know it's a total nightmare. I spent the last few weeks testing out the most popular models to find the absolute best staple gun for upholstery. I bought all 5 of these, jammed them into hardwood, and used them on various fabrics, so you don't have to waste your cash.
Product number 1. Yay Home T50 Heavy Duty Staple Gun Kit. When I first pulled the Yay Home out of the box, I was actually surprised by how light it felt. At just about 1.5 pounds, I wasn't sure if it'd have the guts for thick wood, but it really holds its own. The stainless steel build feels solid, and that yellow finish makes it easy to find when my workbench inevitably gets messy. What I really liked during my tests was the quick release loading at the bottom. I've spent way too much time fumbling with top-loading guns in the past, but this one is snappy. Plus, they throw in 6,000 staples right off the bat. I used the 1/2-inch ones to tack some heavy velvet onto a footstool, and it didn't jam once. The staple window is a small touch, but it saved me from dry firing and ruining the fabric. The handle lock is also a huge plus. I could tuck it into my back pocket while moving around without worrying about it popping open. If you're someone who does a lot of craft fairs or mobile repairs, the portability here is the winner. It's light enough to use all afternoon without your hand cramping up, which is usually the biggest complaint with manual guns. It's a fantastic starter kit because it literally comes with everything you need to start your first project 5 minutes after it arrives.
Product number 2. Arrow T50 Heavy Duty Staple Gun. Now this is the classic. If your dad had a staple gun, it was probably this chrome Arrow T50. Holding it feels like holding a piece of history. It's heavy, it's all alloy steel, and it feels like it could survive being run over by a truck. There's something really satisfying about the weight of it when you're trying to get a flush finish on a tough piece of oak. In my workshop, I noticed the high leverage handle really does make a difference. You do have to give it muscle, but the power delivery is incredibly consistent. I used it to staple some thick webbing to a chair frame, and every single staple went in perfectly straight. It's a simple beast. There aren't many bells and whistles, but the jam-resistant mechanism actually works. I tried to force a jam by firing at a weird angle, and it cleared itself pretty easily. This is the one you buy if you want a tool that's going to last 10 or 20 years. It doesn't come with staples, so you'll need to grab a box of T50 separately, but for pure durability, it's hard to beat. If you're doing a professional-sized job where you're firing hundreds of staples into dense wood, the sheer reliability of the Arrow T50 is why it's still the industry standard.
Product number 3. Bill Meyer Electric Staple Gun. Switching over to the Bill Meyer was a total breath of fresh air for my forearms. This is a 4V cordless unit, and honestly, I was skeptical about whether a battery-powered gun under 2 pounds would have the oomph for upholstery. But after shooting through a few rolls of staples, I was a believer. It's so much quieter than the manual ones, and you don't have to squeeze with all your might. The standout feature for me was the safety setup. It has a contact striker, meaning it won't fire unless the nose is pressed firmly against your project. I felt a lot safer using this for overhead work, like tacking up fabric trim. I got through about 800 shots on a single charge, which is plenty for most DIY projects. Plus, it doubles as a brad nailer. I actually used the nails to fix a loose piece of molding on a cabinet while I was at it. I'd recommend this specifically for anyone who struggles with hand strength or has a massive project, like a full headboard, where a manual gun would leave you sore for days. It charges via USB-C, which is super convenient since I can just use my phone charger. It's the perfect modern choice for a home crafter who wants to work fast without the physical workout.
Product number 4. Arrow T50 ACD Corded Electric Staple Gun. If you like the idea of electric power, but don't want to worry about a battery dying halfway through a project, the Arrow T50 ACD is the middle ground. It's a corded unit, and you can really feel the difference in the motor. Arrow uses a patent-pending motor instead of the old solenoid style, and I noticed it felt way more snappy and consistent, even when I was using a long extension cord in my garage. Mahdi is plastic, which keeps it light, but it has a nice overmold grip that feels grippy even if your hands get a bit sweaty. The bottom load magazine is very similar to the manual version, making it easy to swap sizes. I tested this on some heavy-duty outdoor furniture fabric, and the penetration was deep and secure every time. It's got a big, oversized trigger that's easy to pull with 2 fingers if you want extra control. This is the tool for the power user who has a dedicated workspace with outlets nearby. You get the endless runtime of a manual tool, but the ease of an electric one. It's particularly great for classroom decorating or big upholstery jobs where you're staying in one spot for a few hours. It's built like a tank despite the plastic housing, and it handles the heavy-duty T50 staples without breaking a sweat.
Product number 5. Arrow T50 Heavy Duty Staple Gun Kit, all chrome. Lastly, we have the Arrow T50 kit. This is essentially the same legendary chrome gun I mentioned earlier, but it's the Pro Bundle. When I opened this, it felt like the most professional setup of the bunch. You get the all-steel, hardened body stapler, plus nearly 4,000 staples in 3 different sizes. Performance-wise, it's exactly what you expect from an Arrow. It's rugged and powerful. I used the 3/8" staples from this kit to recover a set of dining room chairs, and the viewing window was a lifesaver for keeping track of my progress. The real value here is the hardening process the steel goes through. I've used some cheap knockoffs where the internal firing pin bends after a month, but you can tell this one is built for high heat durability. If you're a professional or someone who is serious about starting a side hustle doing upholstery, just get the kit. It saves you the trip to the hardware store for staples, and you're getting a tool that can handle everything from insulation to heavy leather. It's a bit of an investment in terms of the physical effort required to use a manual gun, but the results are pro-grade. It's the buy it once, buy it right option for the serious woodworker or home renovator.